G here from OG Creations. A few weeks ago, I posted a video that was part of my Pride 2023 series, where I created these vibrant neon, crumpled, and ice-dyed briefs and thongs. I loved how they turned out and knew I wanted to use the same dyes and techniques just on a larger surface area.
There is so much surface area!
I purchased a onesie.
Nice onesie.
That was part tank top, part Hensley, and part shorts, made from the exact same material that the briefs and thongs were.
You want a thong thong thong.
They're going to be lightweight, stretchy, and extremely comfortable, like you're wearing nothing at all, exactly how I prefer it.
Well, you saw me naked.
Now before I start this project, I've gone ahead and prepped my dyes. I use these awesome 4-ounce bottles that I purchased through Amazon, and I fill them each with
sweat, piss,
1/4 cup of soda ash, and 2 teaspoons of the dyes. This way, the dyes are easier to control when I'm applying them to the fabric, and it cuts down on cross-contamination.
Contaminated.
no cross-contamination this time.
Of any of those dye particles floating onto something, muting the colors. I've showed this process in detail in that earlier video. Make sure to go check it out after you've watched and liked this one. I can't wait to see how this one turns out. Let's get started. I start with a men's tank top onesie short combo that is made from 95% modal cotton, 5% spandex that has been soaked in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes. Directly on my dye rack, I loosely crumple it into a random pattern. I apply thin lines.
What's cocaine like?
My soda ash and dye powder mixture, and repeat the same rainbow pattern across the entire surface area.
So much surface area!
The dye colors that I'm using are hot hibiscus, watermelon, lemon yellow, bright green, turquoise, ultraviolet. A thick layer of ice is added, and then on top of that, another thin layer of soda ash. The rack is then set aside for 48 hours in a warmer space, somewhere between 65 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. I did not want to have the possibility of any of those dye particles mixing on one another when placing this into the sink, so I'm using my shower for rinsing so they can stay directly on the dye rack. I rinsed this in cold water and then slowly increased the temperature to hot water. It is then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried, ironed, and placed into inventory, it was added to my Etsy store, ready for purchase. You can purchase this and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. I love this onesie. I've made a few of these for myself and they are so extremely comfortable. It's almost like wearing nothing at all. Whether it's your go-to cover-up for lounging around on the weekend or throwing a pair of jeans on over it for errands, I'm sure you're going to love it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. I love responding to everyone. As always, make sure to like and subscribe. See you next week.